welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to do my Halloween makeup tutorial for this month. I wanted to be a Scarecrow this year, and I got myself the whole outfit at Spirit Halloween. Hopefully next year, or even if it's not Halloween, I'll probably throw in some Halloween tutorials. Why not? It doesn't have to be Halloween to dress up. But anyways, I also made it COVID friendly. I didn't make it. My husband helped me make this burlap face mask, and he put in the filter so that I don't spit through it. And I'm still able to breathe through it. And I got most of the stuff at Dollarama except the filter that we have. He got this filter with a face mask he ordered a while ago, and I just painted the face mask according to where it was gonna hide my face. I can just put it over it, but then it's gonna turn black and it's just gonna smudge everything around. So I rather just wear the face mask. So I basically followed the same steps I did for my nose and the lips, and I added the orange eyeshadow. I thought the burlap would be a good idea because it is a scarecrow. It looks really cute. I decided to come up with a smoky brown eye look instead of going all black on the eyes. And I also decided to add some stitching on my eyeliner for the hay on my hair and stuffed on my on my cleavage. I decided to look for hay, but I wasn't able to find anywhere. I found this, which is actually wood shavings. I bought it at Michael's. It looks like hay. If you guys want to see how I did this makeup tutorial, just keep on watching. I am not talking through this makeup tutorial because I was also watching Halloween movies and it got me in the Halloween spirit. So I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. If you do, please, 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 it is very important that you hit the thumbs up so my video can get out there. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and leave in the comments down below what will you be dressing up as. And also, if you are going trick-or-treating, don't forget your face mask. I'll see you guys to my next video. I'm pretty sure I'll see you guys before Halloween, but happy Halloween. It's not Halloween yet, but happy Halloween. Wear your face mask and eat lots and lots of candy. Bye.